y'all, Blanche here. Welcome to another tutorial by me. Tonight I am going to do a look based on a photograph that was sent to me by the lovely Miss Faye Dunn Runaway. She asked that I do a look based on it, and this is the look. It's pink and purple and a little green. You can just barely see it up under my eyes. Here's the photograph. So that, I believe Faye took that picture, but it's some lovely rose petals with some purples and some pinks and a little green. And it got me inspired. So if you want to see how I did it, keep watching, and thank you guys so much. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, so I have already started on my face. I've done my contour, my foundation, my eyebrows, and I've covered my eyelid with the NYX white jumbo pencil in milk and drawn on my eyebrows. And now I'm going to start off with applying, this is Ben Nye white eyeshadow. This is just a matte white to just the inner corners, and I like to do it just a little bit onto the eyelid itself and then down underneath, just because I love a matte white inner corner. I think it opens your eye up. Looks really good. I'm going to be using pinks, purples, and greens today. The picture for inspiration that was sent to me is rose petals, and I love it. For most of the actual eyeshadow colors, I'm going to be using my NYX palette. These are 4 NYX trios that I depotted and put in this palette that I got at Stars Makeup Haven. I'll post a link, because I believe it's starsmakeuphaven.com, but I don't remember. I'll post it over there. I'm going to start with the darkest pink in the tree in the palette, and I'm going to apply it right here. And I'm going to blend out that hard line. So I'm just going to take the other side of the brush and make little short strokes and blend that in. I might go back in with some more white here in a little bit and blend it in some more. I'm just packing this color on my eyelid using my 3/8 inch Maxine's mop brush and blending it in. You know what they say, blend, blend, blend. I'm going to go ahead and take it all the way out to the outer corner, even though I will be putting other colors on here. I just want that color to show as a base. Okay, now using the same brush, I'm going to pick up some of this purple here and work it into the outside corner. And bring it up top. Over the eyelid, I mean. Okay, now I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is just a Revlon eyeshadow brush, and I wanted sort of a bigger brush and just kind of blend that purple in with the pink. Use that same brush as well to blend the white in with the pink. These rose petals are so pretty, and I'm so glad that I was asked to do a look based on this picture. it's just something completely different for me. Now I'm going to use this purple here with a round fluffy brush. This is a elf brush. It just says blending eye brush. And I'm going to pick up some of that dark purple and bring it up here. And start working on my crease. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take some carbon from MAC and just go in and deepen the crease a bit. I'm using a little smudger brush. This one, I don't even know what brand it is. I got it at Target. And I'm just going to deepen the crease. Now I'm going to use this fluffy brush and just use it to blend all those colors together. Okay, and for my brow highlight, I'm going to use A2 Bouquet from MAC. And normally I don't do a very pink or a real colored brow highlight, but I really wanted to this time. And this one is a frost, so it'll give me a little shimmer up there. Okay, now I am going to do some eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. While I was away, I did a little more than just eyeliner. I used some Black Track Fluid Line for my top and bottom eyelid, put on some eyelashes, did my face highlighting, which my previous tutorial showed how, so I decided not to do it on camera. And then for my lips, I used a combination of LA Colors lip liner in Pinky, some in Iced Coral. This one's also LA Colors, and then some in Auburn in the corners. And then just a little NYX Jumbo pencil in the center, and I will put on some lip gloss. And let me get some hair and some clothes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm all done. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to find out more information on this lovely hair that I'm wearing, keep watching my videos. I will be talking all about it. Thank you guys so much, and you have a great evening. Bye.